Hi everyone, how are you? Hope everyone is well. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show to you how to insert picture in your Microsoft Excel. Also, how to filter this picture in Microsoft Excel. Today, I'm gonna share with you two methods about this topic. First method is if you use new version, that means 365 or 2021, and second method for older version, that means 2019 less than. In your Microsoft Excel worksheet, you see here employee ID and picture, our header name. I type here employee ID 1001 and type some employee ID field series. Okay. Now insert here picture. This picture insert according this employee ID and all picture name according to this employee ID. Okay. Now select this cell and go to on the insert menu, go to on the illustration group and click this picture tool. You can see here two options, place in cell and place over cell. These two options only show those using new version. Okay, so click on this picture, this tool and picture in cell and select this device. Okay, now you can see a dialog box for choose your picture. Okay, now I click this drive and go to my picture drive, PNG files. Now you can see here our all picture name according to this name. In this purpose, select all picture and click here this insert tool. Okay, now insert, you can see here insert the picture according to our employee ID. Now if you want your this picture columns auto fit, you can do it. Also if you increase your rows, you can see your picture also increase. Okay, also when you select this header and go to on the data menu and sort and filter and click this filter. Now if you want employee ID wise filter 1002 and 1004 to this employee ID and click OK. Now you can see the filter working properly. Okay, now clear the filter. Now we will see those person using the older version. Okay, in this purpose clear the filter. Okay, delete all picture. Okay, now select first cell and go to on the insert menu and click this picture, this device. Now select all picture, then insert. Our all picture insert in our Microsoft Excel, but it's large. So for this reason, you go to the picture format. Must be select all picture, not unselect. Click this picture format and go to your right hand side, this size group and click here. Type your picture size. I will type 0.4 and hit enter. Okay, now go to again on the picture format, this menu and go to on the arrange group and select here align center. Now select your picture and set the picture according to your employee ID. Okay, so in this purpose all picture select manually, and set properly. Okay, now select all picture again, and click your mouse right side button and here you can see size and properties. Then you can see your right hand side in your Microsoft Excel the format picture, this navigator, and click here properties. When you click properties and you can see here many options. Now click move and size with cell. Okay, select move and size with cell. Now close this navigator bar and now select the header and go on to the data menu and sort and filter, click filter. Now if you want filter your employee ID and click here, select all 1005, 1006, now hit OK. You can see the filter working rightly according to your employee ID with picture. So dear viewers, in this video I have to share two methods. I think this video will be helpful for you. So if you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.